Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna go over, like as I said, the function, and we're gonna create the scripts like real life examples.
Also guys, if you could please like and subscribe, that will be really helpful for the channel.
So yeah, I'm gonna start with the send timing command. So Netmiko, Netmiko, actually from Netmiko, import Netmiko, and here let me get this. It's easier to do copy paste since it's the same device. Let's do net from import Netmiko devices. So let's start with the send command. As I said, you're gonna use it the most. Let's get show IP interface brief. Alright, so you can see the output directly here. Alright, so let's do now just the timing one. So the timing, as I said, relied on the timing. It looks for the output every 0.1 seconds. If the device stops sending output, it will wait an extra 2 seconds and return the output to you. Alright, and you could see it actually worked. And if you want, let's be a little bit, do something, right? Just do time. Okay, so just to see the difference of it. And here what we need to do is t2 equal time current t2 minus t, right, and then get the time again, right, and time is not defined. Input time, yeah, need to get the library for it to work properly. Just wanted to show you here, like you've seen, this one relies on the prompt, so it's definitely much faster to implement. This one relies on the timing, so it just check if the device is sending, and then it has to wait the last read, which is by default 2 seconds. And if we change that here, last read equal to 1, you could see that the timing will be 1 point like this, okay? And as I said, you could change the read timeout, make it 20, and also there's the delay factor. I'm not gonna put it here just because I don't want to waste time. Delay factor 2 seconds, okay, so which multiply all the timers for the devices. Okay, let's go back. Alright, so we did the send command. Send config files, I'm not gonna do it, just any files with the proper configuration of the device, you put it here, it will configure the device accordingly. The send command, send config set. Okay, so it will configure exactly what's inside the list, and it will go into configuration mode. Okay, and also I remember you need to go into enable mode. So that's just to use more functions. If not, is it called to check enable mode? So if you're not in enable mode, go into enable mode, then run this commands. Okay. Also something to mention: if the device have a secret, you just here specify that inside the dictionary, so it's called secret. Secret. Okay, so that's how we provide it as secret. Okay. I think we could stop here. Just the redispatch command, I'm not gonna go over it just because we've done it multiple times in the iOS upgrade script, and it's pretty clear. Just whenever you jump from one device to the other and the device is different type, you could just change the device type with the redispatch command. The write channel and read channel, I'm gonna create the next video. We'll go over them. Just I don't want to make this video very long, and I would like to like make our own version of send command and send command timing.
Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. That will be really helpful. Thank you.